Hey, welcome to my Quizz AI review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful tool that lets you create interactive quizzes, polls, and surveys effortlessly using AI. And here's the exciting part. You don't need coding skills, expensive developers, or months of trial and error to get started. Just plug in your details and let AI do the work for you. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome! I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing, and I'm here to help you find the best strategies and tools. If that sounds good, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And here's a special treat. I've put together some amazing bonuses that you'll get only through my link below. These are designed to help you maximize your results with Quizz AI. Check the description for details before they're gone. So, what is Quizz AI? Quizz AI is a cloud-based AI software that helps you create professional quizzes, polls, and surveys in minutes. It's designed for anyone who wants to engage audiences, generate leads, or boost conversions with interactive content. No coding, no problem. The AI handles everything, making it beginner-friendly and hassle-free. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Quizz AI gives you the tools and training, but your success depends on how you use them. If you're willing to put in the effort, this can be a game changer. Standout features that caught my eye: checkmark easy quiz creation. Just enter your topic and let AI build the quiz for you. Pre-made templates. No idea where to start? Use built-in templates for any niche. Cloud-based and no installation. Works from anywhere. No tech headaches. Multiple monetization options. Collect emails, segment leads, redirect to offers. How it works. Super simple. 1. Log in and start a new quiz or poll. 2. Enter your quiz topic and customize questions. 3. Save and share your quiz. Sell it. Give it away or use it for lead generation. No technical skills needed. Just follow the training and you're good to go. Let me quickly show you a demo so you can see it in action.
Do you know that engaging customers has become harder than ever today? It's 2025, and attention spans are getting shorter with each passing day. People are tired of boring ads. They skip opt-in forms, and generic lead magnets no longer grab attention. So how do smart businesses still build massive email lists and drive sales? The answer is simple: interactive quizzes, polls, and surveys. They're fun, they're engaging, and more importantly, they work. They attract clicks, spark curiosity, and get shared like wildfire, organically. Instead of asking for leads, you earn them by making the experience fun. No paid ads, no funnels, no complicated tech, just interactive magic. Whether you're a coach, creator, or small business owner, this works for everyone. That's why top brands use them to generate leads, segment audiences, and boost conversions. Here are some more stats to support my claim. 79% agree that interactive content like quizzes and polls results in repeat visitors and multiple exposure. Forbes states the demand for interactive content, such as quizzes, will continue to grow in 2025 and beyond. According to LED Quizzes, the average quiz has a 31.6% lead capture rate. The average quiz is shared nearly 2,000 times. 77% of all PlayBuzz-powered quizzes that have been shared 100,000 times or more are personality quizzes. So it's a fact that without viral quizzes, polls, and surveys, building a targeted list becomes nearly impossible. Now imagine getting your hands on the revolutionary AI technology that helps create attention-grabbing quizzes, surveys, polls, etc., and even drive tons of targeted leads for your offers for 0 monthly or yearly fees. And do all this at a fraction of a cost that's less than dinner for two. If that sounds good, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting Quizz AI revolutionary AI tech that turns any idea, PDF, or URL into viral, lead generating quizzes and builds a profitable list in just 3 simple clicks. Quizz AI works in 3 easy steps. Step 1, login. Step 2, upload link or insert keyword. Step 3, build your list checkout. Some of its amazing benefits. Create stunning quizzes in 60 seconds. Powered by AI. Build viral engagement with polls and voting tools. Let AI handle the heavy lifting. Turn PDFs, web pages, and blog posts into lead magnets. Create smart, categorized quiz funnels. Personalized recommendations that convert, manage, edit, and save all your quizzes in one dashboard. Users can take quizzes directly on your dashboard, plug and play templates for every niche, turn visitors into leads without expensive ads. Add quiz widgets to any page in 3 clicks. Send users to the right offer, automatically capture emails, and build lists up to 86% faster, designed for marketers, coaches, teachers, and affiliates. Also, during this exclusive launch deal, you're getting our limited time commercial license for no additional fee to provide high-in-demand services to hungry clients and bank in big. Your purchase is covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. But hurry, once this special time period is over, Quizz AI will be available for a premium monthly fee only. Grab Quizz AI today at the lowest price ever.
Quizz AI Funnel Breakdown. Earn up to $630 per sale. If you're an affiliate like me, here's the part you'll love. Quizz AI comes with a high-converting, congruent funnel that pays 50% commissions on every product. That means you can make up to $630 per customer. And trust me, this funnel is designed to convert like crazy. Here's the full funnel breakdown. Funnel level, product price, front-end quiz, AI main offer, $14.95, one time, OTO 1 Pro version, $37 OTO 2, AI prompt, Pack Plus done for you. Funnels $197 OTO, 3 advanced lead, Gen Tools, $47 OTO, 4 viral poll and voting booster $37, OTO 5 reseller rights, $27 OTO, 6 quiz, AI agency, toolkit $47 OTO, 7 client management suite, $37 OTO, 8 AI quiz, mastermind, $197, checkmark, 50% commissions across the funnel. That's right, whether they buy one upgrade or all of them, you earn on every sale. With an irresistible front-end price and smart upsells, this funnel is built to boost your affiliate earnings big time. What I love about Quizz AI: perfect for beginners, no tech skills required, saves time with AI automation and pre-made templates. Multiple ways to profit: sell quizzes, use as lead magnets, or bundle with affiliate offers. What could be better? While it's a powerful tool, it's not for building complex custom apps or software. If you want advanced features, some upgrades are required. Final verdict: should you get it? If you want an easy AI-powered way to engage your audience, grow your email list, and boost conversions with quizzes, then Quizz AI is a solid investment. Grab it using my link below. And don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside the description. Thanks for checking out my Quizz AI review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.